I'm going to have the ALMA TED device deliver dutasteride with latanoprost and minoxidil into my scalp. Now, I'm a very good responder to spironolactone, not as good a responder to dutasteride or finasteride. But we're going to give it a shot. We did some really good close-up photos of my scalp and looking at my hair. And I know I'm losing my hair, even though it looks like I have a lot of hair, it's definitely falling out. So we're using the ALMA TED to deliver the product. Okay, so I'm currently having 2 by 3 inch boxes placed on my scalp for the delivery of the dutasteride using the TED with my nurse. So first we're gonna treat with a 30% intensity. That opens the channels, and I'll get about a 3 micrometer opening in the skin. And after that, I'll deliver the dutasteride with the TED at about 50% energy. All right, first I'm treating my crown, or my nurse is, and what we do is we treat an area that's 2 by 3 inches in diameter, so it's a rectangle, and that is to open the channels in the skin so that we can subsequently deliver the dutasteride. All right, so now we're applying the dutasteride and latanoprost and minoxidil to my scalp after we prep the area with the TED, and subsequently we will drive it in with the TED at a 50% energy level. TED with the dutasteride and latanoprost and minoxidil, no discomfort whatsoever. You know, I can't wash my hair tonight. I can wash them all, but it was really no discomfort at all. Now, I did try injecting the product into my scalp, and it really hurts because it has a very high alcohol concentration, so the TED's the way to go.
Hair is run by Dr. Cole with 30 years of hair restoration experience, and we offer the most cutting-edge technology available. In fact, the Hair Enterprise sub-company Cole Instruments manufactures custom-made tools and automated tools for hair restoration physicians all over the world. Our quality, expertise, and skills are superior to other clinics. Our reputation and results are the best in the world. It's time to restore your hair. It's time to choose Hair.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications of Hair's video uploads. For online consultation, click on the link on the screen or in the video description.